Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel Mom in Practice. As you can see, that looks so delicious, right? This is a very simple dish, cabbage potato curry. To prepare this simple and easy delicious cabbage potato curry, let's get started with basic ingredients. We need a cabbage. It's a medium-sized cabbage, finely chopped, washed and strain all the water. Now take 2 medium-sized onions, finely chopped, 2 large green chilies, cut into half, handful of coriander leaves, finely chopped, and few curry leaves. We also need 2 medium-sized potatoes cut into cubes and 2 tomatoes finely chopped. Heat a pan, add about 2 tablespoons of oil in it. Add a teaspoonful of cumin seeds, a teaspoonful of mustard seeds. Let them splutter for a minute and then add the chopped onions in it. Saute the onions for about 2 minutes. Now let's add the green chilies, curry leaves and saute it for about 5 minutes again. Before the onions will turn brown, let's add 2 teaspoons full of ginger and garlic paste. And saute it till the raw smell of it goes off. When there is no raw smell of ginger and garlic paste, now let's add half teaspoonful of turmeric powder. Saute it for about 2 minutes. Now add the chopped cabbage. And give a good mix. Now the cabbage is mixed very well. Let's add some salt as per your taste. Give a mix again. Now cover the lid and cook for about 5 to 8 minutes. It's been cooking for about 5 minutes. The cabbage got soft now. It needs to be cooked more, but at the same time if you add the potatoes, give a mix and cover the lid. Cook it together for about 5 to 10 minutes. add any water, just let it cook in its own steam. Now the potatoes and the cabbage is almost done. Let's add the tomatoes in it. At the same time, add some coriander leaves. Give a good mix. Cover the lid again and cook on steam for about 5 minutes more. Tomatoes almost got mashed. We don't have to add any water, it releases lots of moisture in it. And now it's time to add some spices. Let's add 2 teaspoons full of red chili powder, half teaspoonful of roasted cumin powder, and 2 teaspoons full of coriander powder. Now mix all these ingredients together very well. If it looks dry, you can add a splash of water, or it can be cooked in its own steam. I'm not going to add any water. Just cover the lid, it will release some moisture, and it's better to cook in its own steam. Now this is it. It's been cooking for about 5 minutes now. Let's cook more 2 minutes without covering the lid. And this is it, guys. Top it with some chopped coriander. There you go, the delicious potato cabbage curry is ready to serve. Serve this delicious recipe with plain rice, rotis and chapatis. It tastes great. Hope you guys like this delicious recipe. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Share with your family and friends. Be healthy, be happy, be safe, and thanks for watching.
Please don't forget to subscribe.